Welcome to Amazing 7, and today we are talking about the conflicts between China and United States of America. China and the United States have had a complex and dynamic relationship throughout history. In recent years, the relationship has been marked by significant tensions and conflicts, particularly in areas such as trade, human rights, and territorial disputes. Here are some of the major conflicts between the two nations. Number 7. Diplomatic relations. Diplomatic relations between China and the United States refer to the political, economic, and cultural connections between the two countries. These relations have a significant impact on the global political and economic landscape. The US has had a history of criticizing and isolating China on the international stage, leading to increased tensions and mistrust between the two countries. Number 6. Cybersecurity. Cybersecurity between China and the USA refers to the measures and practices taken by both countries to protect their digital systems and networks from cyber threats such as hacking and cyber attacks. This includes implementing security protocols, developing national cybersecurity strategies, and cooperation on international cybercrime initiatives. The relationship between the two nations in this area is often tense, as both countries have been accused of engaging in cyber espionage and cyber attacks against each other. Number 5. Ideological differences. Ideological differences between China and the USA refer to the distinct political and economic systems and beliefs that each country holds. China follows a communist ideology which emphasizes government control and ownership of resources and industries, while the USA follows a capitalist ideology which emphasizes private ownership and market-driven economic decisions. Additionally, China has a one-party system, with the Communist Party holding a monopoly on political power, while the USA has a multi-party system with multiple political parties fighting for the power. Number 4. Human rights concerns. Human rights concerns between China and the USA refers to the issues of human rights abuses and violations that have been reported in China, including censorship, suppression of dissent, and the treatment of ethnic minorities, and the concerns raised by the USA and other countries regarding these issues. The US has long criticized China's human rights record, leading to increased tensions between the two countries. Number 3. Military and strategic competition. China's growing military capabilities and territorial claims in the South China Sea have led to increased tensions with the US and its regional allies, leading to concerns about the balance of power in the region. Number 2. Trade imbalances. The US has long complained about China's trade practices, including its currency manipulation and lack of intellectual property rights protections, leading to increased trade tensions between the two countries. Number 1. Economic competition. China's rapid economic growth and increasing global economic influence has led to increased competition with the US for resources and markets, leading to tensions between the two countries.
Did you enjoy this video? Check out other clips of Amazing 7 and be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified our latest videos.